Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here, let me go back. Here we have to scroll down to find the options security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again to localize the option more security and privacy, and scroll to find installation sources. So as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and obviously we can change it manually. Let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome, so from the browser. Just find it and then tap on the switcher next to it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it. You have to know that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, and you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Just tap on allow to confirm, and as you can see, the Chrome is now allowed to install some content. And of course you can always remove previously granted permissions just by tapping on this switcher next to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.